Oh, hey guys, didn't see you there. I was just getting a snack out of my fridge. Found this yummy strawberry. I wonder where the strawberry came from. Do you guys have any idea? Oh yeah, it came from the store. I wonder how it got to the store. It must have been grown on a farm. So today, friends, I thought we could look inside my fridge and see if you know what things inside my fridge came from a farm and what things did not. Let's take a look. Okay, here's my fridge. Let's take a look. We got some almond milk. Oh, down here we have some lettuce. Do you think that grew on a farm? Yep, it did. What about some eggs? Did those come from a farm? Yeah, they did. What about pickles? Yeah, those had to get grown on a farm, right? Oh, and what about my strawberries? Yes, those grew on the farm. And down here I have some, oranges. Those grew from a farm. And, some green beans. Those had to grow on the farm. What about a soda? You think that came from the farm? No. What about this flavored water? Think that came from the farm? No. We talked about how cows make something that we need. Oh, that's right, milk. And the milk makes lots of different things. So see if you can guess which things in my fridge were made with milk. Back at Thanksgiving time, we talked about the different food groups, and we talked about things that are made out of milk are called, do you remember? We had protein, grains, dairy. Can you guess which things in my fridge are dairy? Did we need milk to make our salad? No. Did we need milk to make, how about this yogurt? Did we need milk for this? Yes, we did. Milk or yogurt is dairy. What about some sour cream? You might want to put that on your tacos, in your potatoes. Is that dairy? Yes, that is dairy. It has milk in it. What about, in here I have some cheese. Do we need milk for that? Yes, we do. Cheese is dairy. What about butter? Do we need milk to make butter? Is that dairy? Yes, it is. And this is almond milk, so that doesn't come from cows. That one's made from almonds. But what about this heavy cream that we make whipped cream out of? See, there's even a picture of a farm on this box. Yes, we need milk to make cream, to make whipped cream. That is dairy too. What about mustard? Do we need milk to make mustard? No, that's not dairy. What about, soda? Is that dairy? Do we need milk for that? No. What about this kind of cheese? Yes, we need milk to make this kind of cheese. It's dairy. Do we need milk for, I have this kind of yogurt in here. Do we need milk for that? Yes, we do. That is dairy too. So friends, at home you can take a look inside your fridge and see what kinds of things you have in there that might come from the farm, that were grown on the farm, or that were made out of dairy, that we need milk for. I'm sure there's lots of things in your fridge that you could find that are dairy and that we need a farm to grow it on. So thanks for helping me with that, friends. Okay, friends, thanks for helping me with my fridge and finding all the things that come from a farm in my fridge. So I thought we could read a story a quick alphabet farm story, and then we're gonna sort some things that come from a farm and things that do not come from a farm. So let's start with our story. It is Farm Alphabet Book, and this story is by Jane Miller. And this story has all real pictures in it, and it is not, this story has all real pictures in it, and it is not a made-up story. So we call these kinds of books non-fiction books because they are talking about real things, and they have real pictures of things in them, and they are not a made-up story. So we call these non-fiction because fiction stories are stories that are made up, pretend. This is a non-fiction story because it is not pretend. Farm Alphabet Book. See this real picture of a farm? It is non-fiction. So we'll start with A for apple. Apples are picked in late summer and autumn when they are ripe. B for bull. A bull is a calf's father. It is a large, strong animal. C is for calf. A calf is a young cow or a young bull. D for donkey. Donkeys graze in the fields when they are not pulling carts. E for eggs. Birds lay eggs. These eggs were laid by a hen. F for foal. A foal is a young horse. Its mother is a mare and its father is a stallion. A baby horse is called a foal. G for goat. A young goat is a kid. Its mother is a nanny goat. Its father is a billy goat. H for hen. A hen is the mother of a chick. The chick's father is a rooster. I for incubator. An incubator keeps eggs warm. J for jam. Jam is made from fruit, boiled with sugar and water. K for kitten. A kitten is a young cat. L for lamb. A lamb is a young sheep. M for mouse. A mouse sleeps during the day and finds its food during the night. N for nest. Nests are built by birds. Birds lay their eggs in the nest. This is a coot's nest. It's a kind of bird. O for orchard. Fruit trees grow in orchards. P for pig. This mother pig is called a sow. A father pig is a boar, and a young pig is a piglet. Q for quill. A quill is a large feather. This person is writing with the feather. That's pretty cool. And the feather comes from a bird. R for rabbit. Tame rabbits are kept as pets, and wild rabbits live in burrows under the ground. S for swan. A mother swan teaches her cygnets to swim as soon as they are hatched. The baby swans. T for tractor. Tractors pull machines on the farm. U for umbrella. Umbrellas keep people dry when it rains. V for vegetables. Vegetables are grown on farms and in gardens. W for web. Webs are spun by spiders. The webs catch insects for the spiders to eat. What about X letter X shows that this sheep and lamb belong to the farmer. So they have a letter X painted on their fur to show that they belong to the farmer that owns them. Y for Y. The orange or yellow part of the egg is called a yolk. And Z for zipper. Zippers open and close all kinds of clothes worn on the farm. Okay, good job reading that story with me, friends. Now, can you help me sort some foods that we find on the farm? So this one says, it grows on a farm, and we know this word, yes. Okay, so that's the yes side, it grows on a farm. And this one says, it does not grow on a farm. No. So this one would be things that we could only find at the store and that do not grow on a farm. Okay, so things that grow on the farm and things that do not grow on the farm. All right, how about some broccoli? Do you think that grows on a farm or does not grow on a farm? These things would be things like fruits and veggies, things that start off as a plant. Okay, so does broccoli, yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, broccoli grows on a farm. What about a cookie? A cookie. Do farmers grow cookies on their farm? No, they do not. We can get cookies at the store. Okay, how about peaches? Have you ever had a peach before? Is a peach a fruit or a vegetable? A peach is a fruit, and it does grow on a farm. Good job. How about a sandwich? Do farmers grow sandwiches on their farm? Or do we get sandwich stuff from a store? Yes, they do not grow sandwiches on their farm. How about corn? Do farmers grow corn on their farm? Yes, they do. They grow corn. How about a pumpkin? Do farmers grow pumpkins on their farm? Yes, they do. Pumpkins are a fruit, actually. They have large seeds inside of them. How about grapes? Do grapes grow on a farm? Yes or no? Yes, grapes grow on a farm. How about green beans? I had some of these in my fridge. Green beans. Do they grow on a farm? Yes or no? Yes, green beans grow on a farm. How about berries? Do you like to eat berries at home? Like strawberries, blackberries, or raspberries, or blueberries? Where do all of those grow? On a farm. Yes, they do. Super. How about lollipops? Do farmers grow lollipops on their farm? Yes or no? No, they do not. We can find lollipops at the store though. How about, we talked about this a little bit when we read The Little Red Hen. She grew some, she used this to make bread with. It is wheat. Do farmers grow wheat on their farm? Yes or no? Wheat. Yes, they do grow wheat on their farm, and we use it to make bread for sandwiches, but the farmers do not grow the sandwiches. They grow the wheat so we can make our bread. And one more, we have a nice juicy apple. We can get apples at the store, but do they grow on a farm first? Do they grow on a farm? Yes or no? Apple. Yes, they do. They grow on a farm. Okay. So next time you're at the store, check out some things that you think maybe were grown on a farm. Yes. And you could pick out the things that you think are dairy and that we need milk to make those things. Okay, friends, so thanks for joining me today, and make sure you're reading every day and being a good friend. I will see you next time, friends. Bye.